Fish roe or fish eggs are abundantly available during the monsoon season. But to get this in summer season, I am really lucky enough to got this in last Sunday from my local fish market, and I couldn't resist to make a lovely curry out of this. As you also know that fish eggs are very rich in omega-3 fatty acid, eating them is almost like taking a fish oil supplement. However, fish eggs are truly delicious in any form, whether you make a scrambled fry, pakoras, or curry. This recipe includes making a fish pakoras in the first phase and then combining it to a delicious curry. Just that you got two recipes in one. Now let's begin today's recipe. Before that, welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Nita. Now let's check the ingredient to make this delicious fish egg curry. And the ingredients are onion paste, ginger garlic paste, roasted basin, onion chopped and green chili chopped with that turmeric and red chili powder, tomato cut into small pieces, salt, sugar, garam masala powder, and with that our lovely fish roe or fish egg. First of all, take 250 grams of fish egg and wash it thoroughly. After that, place it in a mixing bowl, and then we need to add the spices. Add salt as per your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of besan so as to bind the fish egg properly. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 medium sized onion chop and 2 green chili chop. Next, mix everything well with your hand. You need to smash the fish egg properly so the masalas are well infused in the egg. Although if you think after mixing it the batter has become too thin, you can always add another teaspoon of besan and make it a thick paste. Next, heat oil on a pan. Add in spoonful of the fish egg batter, keeping a little space for the egg batter to expand, and fry the fish egg pakoras in a medium-high flame. Make medium-sized pakoras. Braise the pakora with the ladle and cook on low flame until both sides are golden brown. Make sure you cook on low flame so that it gets evenly cooked till the inside, otherwise your pakoras will taste raw. After 1 to 2 minutes, flip the pakoras on the other side and cook in the same manner until all the pakoras are done well. Then remove it from the karai and place it on a kitchen towel or absorbent paper. Though after removing it from the pan, you can always serve hot with dal and rice, or you can make a curry. In this recipe, I will show you how to make the curry. After removing all the fish pakoras, then into that same oil add 2 bay leaves and 2 medium-sized tomato cut into very small pieces. Fry them in a medium flame until it turns mushy. Now our tomato is well done. Next we will add 2 medium-sized onion paste. You can make this paste with the help of a mixer grinder. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Stir well and fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell of the onion and ginger garlic paste goes away. Next, add salt as per your taste. After that, add half teaspoon each turmeric and red chili powder. Add sugar half teaspoon, though you can adjust according to your taste. Now stir it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so the masalas are well coated with the onion and tomatoes. After that, then add 1 cup of water so as to make our gravy thin consistency. Next, after adding water, stir well and then add the fried fish egg pakoras. and cook in a very low flame for 4 to 5 minutes so the pakoras absorb the masala well. While when you see the curry start to boil, at that point of time add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and cook further. Last, before switching off the flame, stir well and then add few green chili and another half teaspoon of garam masala powder from above, and then give a standing time of 5 to 6 minutes before serving hot with rice or roti. At last, our fish egg curry is done and is looking marvelous. So enjoy this with your friends and family. And if you think this recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. And those who are new to my channel, and of course, if you make this recipe, then don't forget to share your comment and valuable feedback which inspire me a lot. So thanks for watching. See you again with another interesting recipe. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy summer. Bye bye.